Everyone is hunting for GRE Vocab Gold. Let's strike it rich with dyspeptic. Alright, GRE heroes, here's the word of the day. Dyspeptic. It sounds fancy, but it just means feeling grumpy or having indigestion. Picture this. After gobbling down a greasy burger, you're all moody and stomach's in knots. Boom! You're dyspeptic. Now why does this matter for the GRE? Knowing words like dyspeptic can make or break your score. It's the difference between breezing through a reading passage or getting stuck. Example time. First, imagine a character in a novel who's always irritable. You could say he has a dyspeptic disposition. Second, after Thanksgiving dinner, you might describe the whole family as dyspeptic. And third, if a friend complains about everything, call him out. Stop being so dyspeptic. See, using dyspeptic can make your language colorful and precise. So next time you're prepping for the GRE, remember to sprinkle in some smart vocab. Now go conquer that test.